Trimble is a major provider of location-based products. We integrate our positioning expertise in GPS, laser, optical and software technology to provide complete commercial solutions. We have offices and development centers in 35 countries around the world, and our global partner network provides sales and services in 125 countries.
The urban landscape in general is changing at a high rate of speed. We're seeing incredible growth. Just over 54% of the world's population lives in an urban area. We're seeing wave after wave of new data sets being collected, and we're building up huge amounts of new data that need to be turned into this information in a timely manner so we have accurate and representative maps of our environment. So the Rhineland-Palatinate case is a good example of a region that is, first of all, growing rapidly within Germany, and also has the legal obligation to quickly and efficiently produce new and updated cadastral information that reflects building changes, new buildings or structures that have been removed from the urban landscape. Up until now, the Rhineland-Palatinate has been doing this work manually, and that means painstakingly digitizing data through an expert. This costs time and of course a great deal of money.
The Rhineland-Palatinate is using Info software for their photochromatic workflows. Info is a photochromatic software suite which offers customers all the necessary tools and workflow blocks to convert the raw data, independent if they come from satellite, from airborne or UAV system, into final data products like orthophoto mosaics, digital elevation models or digital terrain models.
It's allowing them to see the surrounding, it's allowing them to analyze their data, it's allowing them to make the data more precise, allowing the customers to generate output from it.
Trimble eCognition provides a solution to automate the detection of new structures or the identification of change structures by comparing a building found in a new image to a previous cadastral result. So here we're looking at the eCognition developer software. Currently we have an example of the Rhineland-Palatinate project loaded. In this example we have the pre-programmed rule set that is used to automatically identify the various buildings, building changes, new buildings, or vegetation at varying heights. So to show you how the automation and process works, we can just execute this whole rule set via a single click, and you'll start to see how eCognition walks through the generation of image objects, classifying those image objects in various steps, reshaping image objects to get the building footprints that are then needed for the cadastral level or for the GIS user in the end. Buildings in red, new buildings or new detected structures are shown in yellow, and then changed buildings are indicated with the blue color in this particular case. You can also work with point clouds directly within eCognition, and we've identified changes in the point cloud within this construction site here. So the red points indicate buildings that have been removed from the site, and the green points represent these trees and vegetation that have been removed from the site. This allows us to have just a better understanding of how our data is working together and make for a more robust analysis within eCognition.
We were able to create a fully automated analysis workflow so that Rhineland-Palatinate can load the data automatically in our environment and to identify the building changes. And they did this on a yearly basis, and they analyzed over 20,000 square kilometers. It's fantastic to work with remote sensing data itself. It helps us to understand our world a little bit better.